There's a technique that I used recently that took black and white footage and slowly introduced color, which had people asking, Daniel, how did you do that? Stick around, I'll show you how. That bird does not know how to listen. So this is actually a really simple technique to pull off. What you need to do is find a piece of footage that you want to use and bring it down into your timeline. Then take that exact same footage and bring it down into a track above your first. Now, depending on whether you want to go from black and white to color or color to black and white, will tell you which one of these tracks you want to affect. In this case, I'll be using a black and white piece of footage and turning it into color. So let me start with my bottom track first, and I'm going to apply a free LUT that I gave away recently, my vintage black and white. Let me turn off the top track so you can see what's going on. So now my bottom track is black and white. Let me dial back the brightness and the saturation and bring up the contrast just a bit. Now in the track above, which is full color, I'm going to do one other thing, and that's to find the dissolve transition under the transitions tab. Let me bring that down into my top track and stretch that out. Basically what this does is it allows the bottom track black and white to show through first and slowly dissolves in the color track. That makes it appear like color is coming to our footage. Now, if I wanted to do the opposite, I could just take the black and white track and put it above the color track and move the transition up into there. This means my footage would start out colored and slowly fade down to a black and white image. And it's really that simple. Try this effect yourself at home and let me know how it works out. And if you want to learn more Filmora tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you click in the links on screen right now and the ones I'll put down below. Peace.